Please subscribe our channel Education Point and press bell icon to get notification of new educational videos.
Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 163, and here I am going to discuss some classification and definitions of polymers. And for example, the definition like thermoplastic. Thermoplastic means those plastics which are molded in liquid form at high temperature. Once it is cooled, then we can give them the shape, and then that shape will be hard and you can use it for different purposes like making crockery or chair or table, whatever you like. That is under thermoplastic. And there are some polymers which are regularly or irregularly arranged. For example, if suppose monomer is A, B, like that. So the alternate A, B arrangement, that is of course regular one. And if suppose A, B, and then like that irregular arrangement, so such type of arrangements are also there. So that I will be discussing here. So the first one is thermoplastics. The branched and linear polymers form a class of polymer is called thermoplastics. These polymers follow when heated and can be molded into a variety of shapes which they retain when they are cooled. Number 2, that is Homo Polymers. Homo Polymers formed by polymerizing a single monomer are known as Homo Polymers. Polythene. Homo Polymers means same. Means if suppose I am taking C6H10O5, that is your glucose unit. And if all these glucose units are everywhere, all monomers, glucose, in that case polyglucose, that is called starch or cellulose, that is called Homo Polymer, where it is made up of only one type of monomer. For example, polythene. In polythene, the same type of ethene group is there, carbon double bond, and all long chain will be with the help of those ethene chain. That is called Homo Polymer. Polythene is best example for Homo Polymer. Then the third one is copolymers. When a polymer is formed by polymerizing two or more than two kinds of monopolymers, it is called copolymers. When there are more than 1 or 2, 3 type of A, B, C, D, like that. One is A type, other one is B type, third one is C type. So different type of monomers are chained in the form of polymers. That is called copolymers. Is formed by polymerizing two or more than two kinds of monomers. It is called copolymer. For example, ethylene and polythene. Propylene. So here one polymer is this ethylene and other polymer is your propylene. So ethylene and propylene, when they join together, then it is called copolymers. Copolymers are again classified on the basis of the way monomers are arranged. So again the copolymers are classified into different groups on the basis of how these different type of monomers are arranged in the form of long chain. So the first one is, that is random polymers. These contain repeating units arranged in a random fashion, and that is called random polymers. For example, if suppose one monomer is A, other monomer is B. So it is this polymer, this copolymer is the combination of A and B monomers. So first A and then B, then A, and then B. So it is random. it should have been AB, 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 so it would have been regular. So here this arrangement is irregular. That's why it is called a random polymer. So now here B is, that is called regular copolymers, and here there is no such type of randomness or irregularity. Here regularly the monomers are arranged. So this regular copolymers, these polymers contain a sequence of regularly alternating repeating of monomer units. So for example, these monomer units are A and B. So they are alternate A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. So they are all alternate in regular fashion. That is called regular copolymers, and B is called block copolymers. In this block polymer, there is formation of one block between these two monomers A and B, and that's why it is called block. In these polymers, the repeating units occur in the form of one block, and that's why it is called block copolymers. D is graft copolymers. These polymers have chain of one repeating unit which is grafted. Here it is grafted. So with this grafting, that's why it is called graft copolymers. And then tacticity copolymers. Tacticity copolymers means here the substituents are not regular, they are irregular in arrangement. So in this, some monomers form polymers with regular substituents on the polymer chain. So there are regular substituents, CH3, 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 CH3. So they are found, these substituents in a regular order. That's why it is called your tacticity polymers. And here the example is given, tactic polypropylene. So F is tactic copolymers. When substituents alternate regularly from one side of the carbon chain to the other, the polymer is called tactic. Here, this phenyl group, one is on upper side, here it is lower side, then upper side, then lower side. Means it is alternate changing the position. So such polymer is called tactic polymers, and tactic polymer example is given here. Number G is isotactic copolymer. When the substituents are all on same side of the carbon chain, the copolymer is called as isotactic. So here I have given you in the bracket all the chlorine substituents are on the same side, and this polymer is called isotactic polyvinyl chloride, and this is very common name, that is called PVC. Here PVC everybody knows. They are PVC pipe, plastic pipe, all what we are getting of different size. Lot of household we call them PVC. It is nothing but polyvinyl chloride. This is your vinyl group, and chlorine group is attached to long chain of carbon on the same side. It is called PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride. So with this I will stop today. Thank you very much.